I've got 5 days and 5 loads, so if you want to see some laundry motivation, keep watching. Hey friends, welcome back for another video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Bevony and this is Embracing Life. In today's video, I will be doing a load of clothes every day during the week. So that's Monday to Friday, 1 load each day. I start off on a Monday, always with bedding, and that's what you're seeing right now. If you're new here, I am a Jamaican living in Jamaica. I do not have a dryer, so I always line dry my clothes. It comes with its own sets of ups and downs. Today is a nice bright day. Some days it's rainy, sometimes it's rainy all week, but it's typical here for people to line dry their clothes. Throughout the video, you will see me change clothes even on the same day, because most times I set the laundry out in the morning and I will go out on the road, whether it is to go to work or to run errands, and then I'll take them up when I get back home. I'm folding my bedding as I go. It's just easier for me to do this, and also I do have allergies to fabric, so if I were to say fold them inside, I'd probably end up sneezing, whereas if I do it outside, I'm not affected that bad. I didn't fold the kids' bedding. I allowed them to fold their stuff themselves. So that's it for day 1 of laundry for this week. Day 2 finds me doing a load of colored towels and rags. And these are mostly the kids' towels. The kids use colored towels, we use white towels, and then the rags are a mix of cleaning cloths and hubby's rags, as well as the kids' rags. These clothes that I'm taking up, they were put on the line the night before. Some of these cleaning cloths were washed, and then hubby's workout clothes, he came on with them wet, and we put them out on the line because they're workout clothes. You know how that goes. I don't want them inside wet and stinky, so we put them on the line overnight, and then once they're dry, I'll put them in the laundry hamper, or if I'm doing that particular load of laundry, I will just put them out. Some of these rags are still a little bit wet, so I'm just moving them around on the line so that I can hang the other stuff out.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah, girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out. Your body slow. You got something on your mind. I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times Put some music on, turn the lights down low.
So it's still day 2. It's time to get these off the line. The sky is getting a little bit dark, so I'm kind of in a hurry. As these are mostly the kids' towels, I don't fold them. I just bring them inside and then I'll share them into 2 equal piles and allow the kids to fold them. I do, however, fold hubby's rags, and sometimes I will end up folding the microfiber cloths, and if I wash like kitchen towels and rags, I will also fold those myself.
If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
Alright guys, so that is 2 days and 2 loads down, and we are ready again for the next day, the 3rd day of laundry for this week. So today I have a load of light colors for you. You'll see those 2 cloths on the line, those are cleaning cloths, and that blue thing is the filter from the vacuum cleaner. This is a day after work. You can see it's in the evening. It's a little bit darker. The sun is no longer overhead, and I'm just taking the clothes up. You'll see me making 2 piles, one on either shoulder. One pile is for one child and one pile is for the other. This just makes it a little bit easier, so when I go inside I don't have to sort the clothes again. So I will just, once my shoulders have enough weight on them, I'll just go inside and I leave these on each of their beds. So by the time I'm done, there's just hubby's clothes left on the line, and then I can just take those inside and fold them. Alright guys, so that is a wrap for day 3 onto day 4. It's day 4 and today's load is a load of dark clouds. You'll see that it's later in the day based on how the sun is. The skies are blue. It's a really pretty day and a little wind is blowing. You can see the trees and the shrubs in the background moving a little bit.
Telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room, falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. Girl, I know we said some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room, falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me.
It's such a pretty day out. I thought I'd show you guys the sky. So there it is. There's a plane if you're ever flying into Jamaica. Look down, you might see me hanging clothes in my backyard. But it's such a beautiful day. There are literally no clouds in the sky. So no clouds in the sky turn to this real quickly, and this is how it is when you live in the tropics. The weather can change in the blink of an eye, at the snap of a finger. And that's exactly what happened on this particular day. So there is baby boy. I took him outside so I could get the clothes down and so he wouldn't fuss, because he could just stay there and watch me.
Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you, I just wanna hold you. For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 14 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in another 3 days for another video. Until then, bye.